Jared at Weber Brothers bringing you another example video. This is of a 2023 Ford F-150. This is a pickup bed, obviously. So, if you're picking one up, this is what it's going to look like. We have it sitting on a couple skids. That's how we stack it up. Make sure the bottom doesn't touch the ground and ruin anything. We do not, under any circumstances, flip them upside down or stand them on the headboard. We are not equipped here at this facility to do that. It oftentimes results in damage. So unfortunately, if you plan on picking up, you got to have a trailer. You have to be able to figure out a way to make that work or accommodate that, or bring your own rigging. Some guys have done that. So as you can see, I got a tape measure sitting on it. That is my first step. I've learned that lesson a long time ago. Not assume that everything is correct. So this one measures out to 6 foot long. So we've crossed that off the list. We've washed it. We've now looked for paint imperfections, dings, scratches, scrapes, headboard damage. We do make notes about what's inside of the bed, whether it has a liner, whether it be a spray in or a drop in, or in this case, no liner. As you can see from this one, whoever had this pickup didn't really use it as a pickup, which we find quite a bit of. No scratches, dings, dents, the headboard nice and straight. Nothing on this side. In this particular setup, we're including the tailgate and lamps. That's not always the case. Sometimes it does change. Sorry, I'm on a bit of a ledge here, so getting a good camera angle is not easy. Going back to that, not always including the gate and the lamps, because nowadays nothing's standard. You've got power gates with power locks and cameras, LED lights, so on and so forth. So all these differences make changes, so nothing is really a standard setup per se. So again, if you're picking one up, this is what you can expect. This is what it's going to look like. We've got a forklift on site here. Easily pick it up and drop it on a trailer for you, as long as you're here in time. We always ask you get here before 4:30, so we have appropriate manpower to help you get loaded up. Make sure you bring your straps. They're not included. Any wrapping materials if you want to protect it. We don't include anything like that. I don't have blankets to give away here. If you have any questions, 800-222-2528. Again, my name's Jared. My direct extension here is 112. You can find me on all the social media and Gmail, pretty much anywhere. Just do a search, Jared Weber Bros. I promise you'll find me. Thanks for watching.